Martian Santa Claus, three-fingered elves will help him with his charitable cause. As they go flying with the Martian Santa Claus.
Just think of all those kids out there.
Nothing's out there. We're alone in the universe.
How can you say that?
My psychic friend told me on the phone last week, and she's never wrong. I hate it when she's wrong.
Santa, what do we do?
I'll go for help. Oh, no. No.
What's wrong? I think he's trying to tell us